Right, so this is a really quick video, and it's basically a video response to Markus Brackley. Now, he did a video about corkscrews on Swiss Army knives, saying about how he don't like them and they're obsolete. And I actually agree with him on this one, but for a slightly different reason. And I couldn't find one of my Swiss Army knives with a corkscrew, but I've got the German Army knife with a corkscrew on it. And I'll tell you the thing I always found with this. So there's the corkscrew. I rarely ever use it for anything, but obviously I always use the saw blade and the knife blade, especially if I'm making traps and that. And it often turns out that if I'm in the woods or anywhere, I'll have one of these because they're legal to carry. Or the Swiss Army knife version is definitely 100%. So I've got a slightly longer blade. I haven't measured it, but I'll end up with one of these and use this for quite a lot of cutting, a lot of carving, enough carving to make your hands ache. And one thing which I really don't like about them is the corkscrew, because when you're holding the knife like this and doing a lot of carving, that corkscrew there is digging into your hand, just there. It's always digging into your palm, and they stick out slightly, and they're not very, it's not a comfortable design. It's, round bits of metal digging into your palm. Once you've been carving for quite a while, you really feel that really badly. Might not be so bad if you was left-handed. To be honest, if you were left-handed, you probably wouldn't feel it. But being right-handed, that always digs into my palm, just there. I find that really uncomfortable, and that's one reason why I don't like corkscrews on a Swiss Army knife. Several people have said about the undoing knots thing. I've never actually ever tried undoing a knot with the corkscrew. I have heard about it, but I suppose if you had an awl or whatever, which some of them do come with, you could probably do that anyway with that. So yeah, so that's pretty much my response to Markus. I suppose they probably just keep putting these on as a tradition, I suppose, because sometimes, it seems a bit weird when you ain't got one on it. But I probably haven't opened a bottle with a corkscrew for, probably over 10-15 years. But yeah, people say they're handy, but if you're cutting for a long time with that, you really do feel that pushing into your palm, especially if you're right-handed. Anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.